from the start, sanitation, mga dami ko natutunan. Hindi na ako takot sa apoy. Dati kasi super scared. I'm really super scared to go near the stove, the oven, basta anything with fire, anything that sizzles, anything that talsik factor. Super scared. But after 7 days, not so much anymore. How about you, Cassie?
Fun, but tiring because I don't like standing up. And I was scared a little.
Okay. What did you do today? What did you cook and what did you make? The rice croquette. I made paella. So paella at saka cauliflower and broccoli gratin. Fairness, masarap naman. Kasi natutunan siya magluto ng rice, yung magsaing from hindi sa rice cooker. So at least siya marunong na siya. How to make pasta from scratch, mga sauces, mother sauces, soups, salad, mga dressings, dami na. In fairness medyo madami-dami na rin. So we all had fun but we got tired. Pero okay lang kasi parang amazing lang, parang before nakikita mo lang sa restaurants or sinaserve lang sa bahay mo, but now you make everything from scratch. So parang nakaka-proud,